today, Jeep Liberty AC problem. V6 on this one, 3.7. I don't understand why that is there. Is that the new stop leak style? Guarantee you it won't work. So grab your 13 mil. That's for the hose. You're gonna have to take off this one as well to get to that nut there. And then pull it out of the way. And then pull this out. Now, what I had to do was cut some rubber here. I cut some of this rubber to make that fit through there, so you don't have to take all this mess off. I was gonna take this off, but I changed my mind. It don't gotta come off. So all you gotta do is just pull it out, and just find its way. If you don't cut that rubber, it will not come through. Simple as that. There's that part number for this 2006 discharge hose. Same way you took it out. Just wiggle it in there. Get it in there. Like that. Put your 13s back on. Make sure you vacuum before you add Freon. Every vehicle most likely has a tag. And this one will be filled to 1.12 pounds. There it is.